On a typical day, he'll quit right on the dot, get in his little car, go to his little house, and kiss his little wife and say, I'm tired. He used to hear his father say that back when men used to get tired working during the day, and he picked it up and he repeats this every night, and then heads for the living room where he turns on his escape box. But then the screen lights up and he does too a little bit, and except that he's watching other people who are earning excellent incomes in the pursuit of their careers while he doesn't make a nickel. Next morning he gets up and he does this all over again. At the end of 40 years, he's retired, and then he dies at 85 or 90, the way medical science is moving us along, out of sheer boredom. Is there a tragedy here? Not really, if that's the way Charlie wants to spend his life. But there's a terrible tragedy here if he's living that way because of the total lack of a decision. He's still doing what he was doing in the first and second grade, and that's going along with the fellows up and down the block on the unspoken assumption that they know how to live, because they've never known how to live. He never learns that he can have just about anything he wants in the world, that he can call his own shots, tell his own fortune.